We'll guide you through how to change the Microsoft account on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've gone and changed the Microsoft account that you primarily use and see what's going to change it in Windows as well. So you're going to have those files and settings synced. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. So to go and get started, you can go down to the bottom of your computer and you need to go and press on the Windows Start button just here. Then you want to go and open up settings. So you can go and look in the top left and you can go and see the current account you're using. Mine is rto2business@outlook.com. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go and change this. So come over to the left and find the option for accounts and you want to go and click there. Once again, you'll see the account. You need to go and scroll down and we need to go and find the option for your info and you can go and click there. Now we're to go and scroll down to where it says Microsoft account. What we're going to do is press sign with a local account instead. Keep watching, it will make sense shortly. So we are going to be signing out of this account and switching to a local account. So press next. You need to go and enter in your password to confirm your identity. Now we need to enter in the local account info. This is just going to be temporary, so just keep watching. Enter in a username. Then what you can do is you can go and enter in a password. You'll need to have a hint and then you can go and press next. Now press sign out and finish as we're signing out of the current account, as you can see. I'll just press sign out anyway, and now you can go and wait. You'll be brought back to the Windows lock screen. You can then click, and now what you need to do is go and enter in that password you just set. Now we're signing back in. Here we are. So now if you press the start button at the bottom and you press your account, it'll go and say local account. You need to come back to your settings like so. Then you'll go and see local account again. Press accounts to the left. You need to scroll down, find the option, your info. Now you can scroll down and you want to go and find the option for sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Now you can go and sign in with the other account you want to start using. Then enter in your password and you can press sign in. Sign into the computer using the account. So that's the one we just set now. So I'll go and press that, the temporary one. You need to go and set up Windows Hello, so go and press next. You can close the Windows Hello for now if you want to. And that's it, you've now successfully gone and changed it, as you can see. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.